Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today's gonna be very interesting because I know most of you know about Google Docs that you can do voice typing. I hope so, at least. If not, when you go to your Google account, go to your Google Docs, which is very easy, and then go to Tools, go to Voice Typing, and you click the microphone and start talking, and let's test it really quick. This voice typing feature is very interesting and useful for someone that wants to write a book or a novel, or you simply want to write an email to a colleague or a friend, but you don't want to type or you don't feel like typing. It's faster, easier, and does the job. But now, let's switch the gear a little bit. And I'm going to stop this here. I'm going to delete this here. But what if you want to type from an audio file? Well, here comes the VB Audio software. When you go here to the site that I'm going to leave on the description, you go right here and you download either the file for your Windows or for your Apple. When you click on the Windows one, as you see, I already have one. And let me just open it and show you how it looks like. And as you see here, we have it on this folder. It comes on this zip pack. You right click on it, extract here. I'm gonna do on my test here. And you have to go, depending on if you have a 32-bit system or a 64-bit system. If you have a 64-bit system, you'll have to run as administrator. You'll click yes. And in my case, it says remove driver because I already have it. In your case, it will say install driver. After you install the driver, it will ask you to restart. Go ahead, restart your computer. After you come back from the restart, let's go to the settings or the audio settings. Let me take this down and show you how you go quickly there. Right click on the volume or sound icon, open sound settings. And here on the top, you'll have to put it to cable input, VB audio virtual cable. You will not hear audio on your computer when you set it up here, but that's the whole point here. Then microphone, we go to cable output, VB audio virtual cable. Now, after you have these two set up, we're done with this part, and let's go to our Google Docs now. Now let me take the microphone out again. Let me put this here on the side so you can see what I'm doing here, or at least I'm attempting to. Let me put this one right here, and with this one, let me show you something quick. Okay. Now, this one here, I just put free audiobook, and I'm gonna play a few seconds of this one while he speaks. On this audiobook, while he talks, you will see it transcribed in real time right here in our Google Docs that you can transfer to a document, send somewhere else, or do whatever you like to do with it. And as we did before, go to Tools, go to Voice Typing, start the audio first.
Closer to my goals.
And click the microphone.
Constantly monitor yourself.
And right now,
bad habits are difficult to overcome because they happen too quickly. Why is it
as you see it typing in real life? I'm typing just something that's quick and easy. So I'm just gonna get rid of it for now. I'm gonna stop it right here. And as you see, you can bring any audio files, you can bring any recording that you might have that you need it transcribed, or whatever, or a video that you need the transcription, even though YouTube has an option to do it already. But if you want it directly to a document, you can do it this way. As you saw, it started typing right away. And if you want to revert everything back to how you had it before, you just bring up that sound settings. You go here. In my case, I'm going to use my M100 speaker input. I'm going to leave it to Elgato Wave 3. Click out. You can save this, send it to whatever you want to do, or you can go inside. You can do punctuation. You can go, add your own text or whatever else you want to do. So with that said, I think this concludes this video, and I hope you learned something from this tutorial. This is very, very useful software that actually will help a lot of you out there when you need to transcribe from an audio file to text. And I hope you liked it. Please hit that subscribe button if you don't mind. It helps me tremendously. Makes this channel be somewhere on the map. And we'll see you next time. Bye!